Assalamu alaikum. Ahlan wa sahlan wa marhaban bikum. We said in learning the Arabic language, there is serious benefit because you are going to understand the language of the Quran. With that, you understand the message of your Creator, and you also understand the ahadith of the Prophet ﷺ. And with this, you can practice the religion of Islam better. And as a Muslim, it is so important for you to pay attention to grammar rules so you don't make mistakes when trying to interpret the verses of the Quran or even the hadith of the Prophet ﷺ. In our last episode, brothers and sisters, we actually discussed a very significant and important topic, and that was Ismul Ala, which is utilitarian noun. Now, names of tools in the Arabic language and how these names of tools are formed. Recall that in the last episode link placed above, we mentioned that the nouns of tools in the Arabic language are formed from the three-letter verbs. That is verbs like fataha, qatala, verbs like barada, verbs like qassa, and the rest of them, which are many like. Now, example of these nouns as we give was the word miftahun, which means key. From the word fataha. Fataha means he opened. So we have miftahun. Another example we have was the word miqasun, which means scissors. From the word qassa. Another example we have was miknasatun, broom. From the word kanasa. And I also told you that these words are formed under three patterns. And today, that's what we shall be discussing from the book Durusul Lughat al-Arabiyyah. For those of us who have not downloaded their copies, click on the description box to download it through the link placed there. Now, we have here in our book that kalimatu miftah, the word miftahun, ma'khudatun min masdar fataha yaftahu, is gotten from the noun fataha yaftahu. The word fataha yaftahu, which means he opened, his opening, the word miftahun is gotten from it. لِلدَّلَالَةِ عَلَىٰ آلَةِ الْفَتْحِ. And the word miftah is formed in order to indicate that tool which you use in opening a door or something. وَتُسَمَّى ismu alatin. Therefore, it is called ismu ala, which means the noun of utility, the noun of tool. Ismul ala. He's saying ismul ala. The noun of utility, ismun, is a type of noun, masugum min al-fi'l thulathi, which is usually formed from a three-letter verb, لِلدَّلَالَةِ عَلَى مَا وَقَعَ الْفِعْلُ بِوَاسِطَتِهِ, in order to show the tool which is being used to perform an action. Now we have l'ismil ala thalathatu awzanin. The noun of tools, they have three scales of measuring it. The first scale is mif'alun. The noun of tool, some of them will come under the pattern of mif'alun or mif'alun or mif'alatun. An example is for the first pattern is miftahun under the pattern of mif'alun. Another pattern is mif'alun, under it we have the word miborodun, file. And the last one is mif'alatun, under it we have miknasatun, broom. Having understand this, now we have a short exercise. Here you're going to get a lot of words, and you'll be able to know under which pattern each of them fall into and what are the tools for, or the meaning of the tools. The first exercise we have sug min al-af'al al-atiya asma al-ala ala wazni mif'alun. You are to form from the following verbs the nouns of tools under the pattern of mif'alun. All of these verbs here, their nouns of tools are from the pattern of mif'alun. The first one is the word fataha yaftahu. He opened his opening. It will be miftahun, opener, key. Nasharo yanshuru, to be minsharun, saw. Harasa yahruthu, harasa means to plow. Yahruthu, he's plowing or harrowing or tilling. So harasa yahruthu, to be mihrathun, the plow. Next we have zalaja yazliju. It will be mizlaj, which is latch or lock, latch. Next we have qasa yaqisu, which means to measure. Yaqisu, to be mikiyasun, the measure. And lastly we have kala yakilu. Kala means to measure. Yakilu, to measure with balance or with container, something. So kala, to be mikyal. Allah says wala tanqusul mikyal. Do not reduce the measuring container. So, and the word wazana, which means to weigh. yazinu, he's weighing, to be mizanun, the weighing balance. The origin of the word mizan is mizan, mashallah. The second exercise we have here is sug min al af'al al atiya asma al ala ala wazn mif'al. We are to form from the following verbs. From the following verbs, nouns of tools under the pattern of mif'al. This second pattern. And the first one we have is barada yabrudu. And then we have mibrod, which means file. Halaba yahlibu, he's milking, to be mihlab. Mihlab, which means what you use to milk. Next we have sa'ada yas'udu. Sa'ada yas'udu. He's ascending, he ascended, to be mis'ad, it means the elevator. We have qabada yaqubidu. Qabada means to withhold. Yaqubidu, which means to is withholding, he is holding, to be meqobad, which means a holder, what you hold. Next we have qada yaqudu. Qada means he drove. Yaqud, he's driving. Meqwadun, it means the driving wheel, the steering wheel. Next we have qassa, he cut. Yaqusu is cutting, so meqassu means scissors, the cutter. Next we have hakka yahuku. Hakka means to scrape, also yahuku. So we have the touchstone, mehakun, mashallah. Next, for the pattern of mif'alatun, the last pattern, we have sub min al af'al al ati asma al ala. What's the mif'alatun? We are to form from the following verbs: nouns of tools, the utilitarian nouns which is as for names of tools from the following verbs. The first verb is kanasa yaknusu, he swept, he's sweeping. Miknasatun, sweeper, which means broom. La ako yal aku, to lick, he's licking. Mil akotun, spoon. Toroko yaturuku, to knock, to hit. Yaturuku is hitting, to be mitorokotun, hammer. Satoro yastiru, mistorotun, ruler. Asoro yasuru, to juice. Ma'isorotun, that is juicer. And we have gorofa yagorifu, megorofatun, which means megorofatun means what? Scoop, mashallah. We have kola, yakoli. Kola means to fry. Yakoli, he's frying. Mekolatun, the frying pan. Asluhu ha mekolayatun. The origin of the word mekolayatun is mekolaya, but it went undergone some changes. The word maha, to erase. Yamahu, he's erasing. Yamahu Allahu ma yasha'u wa yathbit. Allah erases whatever he wishes and he reinstates whatever he wishes. So mimhatun, eraser. It is from the word mimwahatun, mimhawatun. Next we have the word kawa, yakwi. Kawa means to iron, to press. Yakwi, mikwatun. We have barrel, yaburi. Miborotun means sharpener or the pocket knife. Next we have sofa, yasfu, misfatun, which means deceive. We have ro'a, yaro, he saw, yaro, he seen. Mir'atun, mirror. And lastly we have roko, to ascend. Yaroko, he's ascending. Miraqatun, which means staircase, step. MashaAllah. With this, we've come to the end of this topic and we have learned a lot of words from your own words into the utilitarian tool. Bring verbs that you like and use it to form utilitarian tool so you know a lot of words, and whenever you speak Arabic, you speak it fluently. We ask Allah to use our face and grant us better understanding. Don't forget to like, share and press the join button to join our membership for members on the PEX. Until we meet again, Jazakumullah khairan, and also click on the link above to join our WhatsApp channel so you get daily update from us. Until we meet, Assalamu alaikum.